Greetings. This is part 3, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Pro-Life, Tolerance, Education, Art Series 49. BLeecHie, Gun, Horror, Sea Monster, Allegorical Sea Monster, and Memorial Portrait of Donnie Chin, a Seattle man who is a health activist and worker and volunteer. Helped set up himself the International District Emergency Center, which especially helping troubled, homeless youth, teens, and so on. He was shot to death. All right, to be continued. I haven't decided what I'm going to be drawing on this section here. I may draw a metaphoric wing. I may draw a gun. Maybe both. Okay, to be continued. How are we doing, budgies? Get some background chirping, chortling? What do you think? That'll work. That's good. Thank you. Response from the other hotel there. Okay, good. Thanks. Good. Everybody appreciates your input, especially me.